Hi everyone, welcome back to Bougie Doll Life. My name is Katrina, and as you can see, the dollhouse is complete. So we're going to be doing a full dollhouse tour of my cardboard dollhouse. This dollhouse took me over a month to make, and I'm super happy about it, and I'm very proud of how it came out. I wanted to show you guys that I did add pop lights. So I have this remote right here, and this is the remote to all my pop lights. So I like all of them to be the same, so I can use the same remote for all of it. So let's go ahead and turn on the lights real quick. So there goes one part of the light and the other part. So it looks really nice once you put the lights on. And I have it on fade right now. Let me put it on regular. Okay, so I put it on regular. So let's go in with the front porch. So here's the front porch. I have my flower bed. I made some hedges out of some faux moss on the sides. I did it off camera because you guys see me do it to the side of the building right here. And then I also made some bricks. These bricks are made from cereal box, and I cut little rectangles and staggered them all along the building. As you can see, I did the same for the other side of the building as well. And I also painted the bottom right here green. I do plan to put faux grass, but I feel like the green paint does this justice for now. But I really do love how it came out, and you can see into my bay window, which is one of my favorite parts about this house in general. These are my rose beds. I got these roses from Amazon. And then for the door, it was a cereal box I cut into a rectangle shape, and then I put a wooden dowel right here, and then I just added some wooden contact paper across here to give it more of a modern look, and I really love it. Now, I didn't want to add any plastic from packaging to my windows because I don't know, I kind of like the way it looks right now. I think it's super cute, and I might do it later down the line, but for now I really like how it looks like this. So this is the front yard, and then the corner right here I did add some more greenery to the building. I don't know, I just feel like it looks so cute and modern, but at the same time it gives like a cozy feel, and I really love that. And even in my house now, I love the cozy decorations. I think that's more my style. I did add some panels right here by doing popsicle sticks going up the sides, and then I did the same thing around the side right here, the same exact thing, and I absolutely love it. I think it's really cute. And then to hide the middle piece of the box right here, I just added a dowel and I painted it white. And if you guys want detailed videos, it is in my YouTube channel. I did show my whole progress of making this entire house. So let's go ahead and go inside. Okay, so when you first walk in, you will see the living room. The living room was super easy to make. It was one of my easiest rooms in this house. The blinds are just a piece of fabric that I got from Amazon, and I hemmed it, and then I just added it around with hot glue on wooden dowels. I didn't paint the dowels because I feel like it matched like my wood grain that I have in the house, so I left it as it is. This TV is from a printable of my Fraisa, so I just glued it onto a piece of cardboard and I wrapped it in concrete contact paper. And this is a print that I got from online to be a piece of art. And then I had a sofa right here that I had from a kids craft house that I was never going to use, so I ended up reupholstering it with some white fabric. And then I made this little table. This table, you guys probably seen it, is from Dollar Tree. They have it in the dollhouse section. I covered it with the same wood contact paper, and then I just added this tray, which I think is super cute. And I made this little vase out of a cylinder from a paper towel roll, and then I added some roses and I wrapped it around in marble contact paper. And then I made some candles, and I made these candles out of glue sticks, and I made the wickers out of Q-tips, and then I just cut the two ends off and I put it inside of the glue stick when it was hot, and then I just added some glue to make it look like it was like melted a little bit. So I also added a piece of chocolate. I got that from Temu. I did a Temu haul on that. These are some books over here. I made a little tiny book rack out of cardboard, and I just covered it with the contact paper. I added this sign. I absolutely love this sign. It says, "Do what you love what you do." I always love that quote. And then these are some books. I got these book printouts from Delightful Dolls, and I like a lot of the books that she has read. I've read as well, so I was very happy with her selection. So I just printed it out and made the books that I know that I've read. And so then we're gonna lead on to the kitchen. So the kitchen is very special to me because when you go to the side right here, it makes the light turn on, and it's super cute. And I love that I have my cabinets. It looks really good with everything else. The stove is a printout of my Froggy stuff, but I went ahead and painted a piece of cardboard with some lines to make a stove top, and then this back is part of this printable. And then all this is made out of Velveeta boxes, and I covered them with marble contact paper. And then I made the full shelves with wood grain contact paper on top of cereal box squares. Like, I just cut the cereal box into squares and I covered it with the contact paper. Then this fridge is a printout from my Froggy stuff because I felt like this space was kind of small, so I did not want to make a lot of huge appliances. So I thought this would be great just to have the printables. And then I also added a little storage space up here that's covered with wood grain above the fridge. And then I added this little island, which is also made out of Velveeta boxes. And it's like a little kitchen, little island where you can eat breakfast. I made this big bouquet of flowers. I thought it was so cute. I'm probably gonna use it in so many different scenes and things like that. It's so cute. And then to add to the space, I added these two stools that I got from a kids craft house. I think it was my Brooklyn loft that I took out of there because that space, I want to make it a universal space, so I didn't need that there anymore. Right here, I put a little shelf where you'll see some mugs that I made in a previous video. There's a little cutting board with some lemons that I got from Temu. And then right over here, I have a sink that I got from Amazon. I will link it down below if you're interested. It's made out of plastic and it's ceramic, and it's a magnet type of sink that's made for paper clips, but it's perfect for 1/6 scale. So I made these mini make it lifestyles for the dollhouse. I thought it was so cute. I have a turtle right here. That's Donnie and Leonardo. And if you haven't noticed, I'm a Ninja Turtles fan. So this right here is some candles. I'm definitely going to use it in other spaces in the dollhouse, but I really like it right there for now. As for the actual seating in the bay window, I use Velveeta boxes, like the cheese boxes, to make the bench, and then I just covered it with contact paper. So that's how I made those benches. And I covered the top with like a cushion with cereal boxes, and I covered it batting, and then I also covered it with some fabric, and then I made some pillows. These fabrics are from Amazon, and the floral one is from Temu. Okay everyone, so this is the bedroom. It's super cute. I made this nightstand out of a mini brands capsule. I glued 2 capsules together, and then I added a rose to the top right here. This bedding I made myself, and then also I have this macrame piece that I made that was for another dollhouse, but I thought it looked better as a rug in here, so I added it in here. And then I made the pillows with my no-sew pillow method. And then I really loved the comforter because I sewed it, and then I flipped it inside out and like sewed some little designs on top. And then I added another blanket that I made in a previous video. I always like to add 2 blankets, one like as a throw blanket and then the regular comforter. And then there's this black and white pillow that I got from an Etsy shop a long time ago. And then this is the dresser over here, and it has a faux mirror. And the faux mirror I got from a peel and stick on Amazon. And then it has a Naturalistas mirror. It has a mini brands bag. And then the dresser is made out of a Amazon box that had, I think, the moss inside of it. And it was a fold up and down type of box, so I thought it would be cute for a sleek dresser. Then I covered some pieces of cardboard with scrapbook paper, which is what the pink marble paper is made of, and I just made some little full drawers out of that. And then I covered the mirror with that same type of paper. Okay, last but not least, we have the bathroom. A lot of you guys really love this room, so let's get into it. The floor It's from Dollar Tree. It's a peel and stick tile. I bought the big one to go on the floor, and I bought the smaller ones to go around the edge. And then the windows also are printouts from my local Walgreens. You can just look up on Google like windows, open windows with city views, and they'll give you all types of windows with city views. I think it's so pretty. And one of you guys were asking, how does the doll fit in the tub? And this is how the doll looks in the tub. This tub does work. I did add batteries, so if you guys want to hear the sound, let me turn it on real quick. So this is how it sounds. You do fill it up with water, and it does come out through the spout right here. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to get my dollhouse wet, but it does. So on the side of the bathroom right here, I have this vintage printout of a Barbie, which I think is super cute. It's a picture of a silkstone Barbie. And then I added a shelf from the Mini Make It Lifestyle. And then I added my little flowers that I made in a DIY. And let me show you guys see how that looks. So with your duplicates, I did make a video showing you how you can use your duplicates in the dollhouse. So I decided to add that to the bathroom. I thought that would be so cute. So this is how the sink looks. It has the countertop that matches the floor and the sides, which I think is super cute. And then I covered the whole thing with a concrete contact paper. And then I made the drawers out of cardboard, and I covered it with that same concrete contact paper. And I think it's so sleek. I think this bathroom is so elegant and pretty, and it is one of my favorite rooms in this house, and I absolutely love it. And then this toilet is from a Kids Craft house that I had, the Brooklyn loft, and then I took it out of there and put it into this dollhouse. So everything in this dollhouse can be removed. Nothing is glued down permanently. So before I end this video, I wanted to show you guys something cool about the lights in this dollhouse. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the lights so I can show you. So this is the dollhouse in the dark. It's super cute. I do plan on adding some front lights to the two sides of the door, but I'm gonna wait for that order to come and just add it to the house. But look at it. So if we have a Halloween decoration on the outside, we can press this green button and the house lights turn green. And I think that is so cute for Halloween, especially if you have like a spooky outside. I think that's so cute. Like, that was the purpose of this dollhouse, was to decorate the outside for my doll, for her to have like a Halloween decoration, fall and Christmas. And then also I was thinking like a red maybe would be really cute in here, and I really like that. And then this is orange. I don't think it's catching it on camera, but it's super warm for like fall. I have a little pumpkin in the front yard because I was just testing out some of my fall decor, but I'm super excited with this dollhouse. All right, everyone, so that is the full tour of my dollhouse. Thank you guys so much for coming along with me to build this entire dollhouse. All of you guys that watched all the videos up until it was completed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram if you don't already do, at Bougie Doll Life. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.